Hi there, I'm Gabrielle Saja, holistic educator, physical therapist, and Alexander Technique teacher. Every October, all of the skeletons come out of the closet. And this is what they look like. Scary. So how are we supposed to feel about our bones? How are we supposed to feel about our skeleton? And how do kids start to think about their skeleton? What if we started to take an anatomical, a scientific approach? So I have a couple of workshops coming up. We're going to use some experiential anatomy and some really fun movement practices so that you can learn how to think about your skeleton, how to feel good about your skeleton. When we feel grounded, really strong from the inside out, we can move through our day with calmness and power and feel ready for anything. So I hope you'll join me in both the workshop for adults and parents and a workshop for teens. Look forward to seeing you soon. You can go to my website and sign up at gabriellesaja.com/workshops. See you soon.